Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Alex and I'm your host today. So today we are participating in China Expo, Toy Expo, and we are a part of China Toy and Juvenile Product Association. So in this expo we are visiting the member factories. Now as you can see here today, Jens from Zhongshan Anbel Plastic Manufacturing Ltd. She is here with me and she would like to introduce the company. Also we're going to go through the products that they are here to present. So hello Jens.
Hello.
Thank you for joining me today.
Yeah.
So once again, your company was established in 2008, is that correct? Yeah, so it's like 15 years industry experience. As you can see here, there are two main products this factory would like to present us today. So number one product is baby pool float with adjustable sun canopy, right?
Yeah.
So can you tell us about this?
And this product is a baby float with adjusted canopy for baby from 6 months to about 6 years.
Wow, that's great. So 6 months to 6 years, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And this one baby can lay down in here. He can swing like himself. And then that means he can swing as an adult.
All right.
Yes.
What is this thing over here?
This
is it the
is-
sun protection?
Yes, this is the adjusted canopy. We use it at noon. We can use this to protect baby from the sunshine.
Okay.
Yes. If we don't need it anymore, we can take off.
All right. Do you have any product exactly the same for adults?
Yes. Here, come here. We have this one, and we can see here it's colorful. And this is our new design. Without the zip, if we don't need this mass fabric anymore, we can take it off. And so you can use it as swimming ring.
Okay. What is the age group for this product?
I think it's okay for any adult like me or you. You can lay down, or you can. Some people to just hand on here or talk with this swing ring.
Brilliant. Thank you so much, Jens, for introducing all these two products. So basically, briefly tell you about the factory once again. This factory can provide CEM, ODM with 15 years plus industry experience, and they have a great team for R&D and sales as well. So all the professionals, they will help you to source all of your baby products for swimming. And we're going to leave their contacts below the video so you can get in touch with us or directly with them. They will be happy to serve you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.